Hayley LeBlanc is an American actress, YouTuber, singer, author, and social media influencer. She first gained fame as the youngest member of the popular family vlog channel Bratayley and has since transitioned into acting, leading roles in web series, music with a girl group, and writing children's mystery books. Known for her bubbly personality, gymnastics background, and relatable teen content, Hayley has millions of followers across platforms and continues to build a career in entertainment. She splits time between family homes and has spoken about the challenges of fame, including the loss of her brother and the end of daily vlogging. Hayley loves dancing, cooking, fashion, and spending time with friends and pets. She is described as outgoing, humorous, and family-oriented. Hayley balances acting gigs, social media brand deals, and personal content creation. She is praised for growing up gracefully in the public eye and maintaining authenticity. In 2020, Hayley joined the girl group Run the World alongside Jesselyn Grace, Keris Rogers, and Corinne Joy. The group released tracks like Rainbow and Diamond Hearts, focusing on empowerment anthems. Though less active recently, music remains a passion. The LeBlanc family's YouTube journey began when Hayley was just an infant. The Bratayley channel launched in 2010 and exploded in popularity, amazing over 7 million subscribers with daily vlogs, challenges, and family moments. Hayley, often the comedic brat of the group, becoming a fan favorite. The family also ran secondary channels like Oh My Gosh TV. In November 2019, they stopped regular Bratayley vlogs to focus on individual projects, though the channel remains active occasionally. Hayley was homeschooled for much of her early life alongside her siblings but later attended traditional school, including Indian Creek. She trained extensively in gymnastics as a child, which featured heavily in early videos, but stepped away from competitive gymnastics to pursue acting and other interests.